In this video, you'll learn how to subscribe to eBay Daily Deals. By the end, you will be able to receive updates on the latest promotions directly in your inbox. Start by visiting the eBay homepage. Once the page loads, locate the main menu at the top of the screen. From there, find and click on the Daily Deals section. This will take you to a page dedicated to showcasing current deals and discounts. As you scroll through the Daily Deals page, look for the newsletter subscription option. This is typically found further down the page. You will see a field where you can enter your email address. Ensure that your email is active and entered correctly to avoid any issues with receiving confirmation messages. After entering your email, proceed by clicking the button labeled subscribe. This action submits your request to receive promotional updates from eBay. You should see a brief notification confirming that your subscription request has been registered. This step is important as it indicates your interest in receiving daily deals. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation message sent by eBay. It is essential to open this email and locate the verification link included. Clicking this link is necessary to confirm your subscription. This verification process helps ensure that you genuinely requested the newsletter and protects you from unwanted spam. Once you've confirmed your email, you will begin receiving daily or promotional deal emails from eBay. It is advisable to monitor your inbox regularly to stay informed about limited time discounts. Additionally, you can adjust your email preferences by navigating to your account settings on eBay. If at any point you decide you no longer wish to receive updates, you can easily unsubscribe from the newsletter. That wraps up today's guide. Next. So it'll catch you in the next tutorial.